What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if that interests you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button, because I make videos daily. Matter of fact, 3 videos a day, so you do not want to miss it. If it's your first time on my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I value your time, I value your trust, and I won't take it for granted. Give you all stuff and no fluff. And for all of my Radical Marketer community out there, double salute to you guys. This channel's been blowing up, and the Facebook group has been going crazy. So if you're not involved in the private Facebook group, join. The link is in below. Guys, I'm super excited to drop a gem on you guys today. I think a lot of you guys are going to be really interested in this credit union review that I'm going to be doing on Signature Federal Credit Union. It's a credit union based in the northern VA area by Alexandria in the DC metro area. But the great news is you don't have to live in DC. You can live in Cali. You can live in Iowa. You can live in Texas. You can live in Arizona. You can live anywhere in the United States and bank with Signature Federal Credit Union through an open membership that they have. When you go to join a membership, you can select different nonprofit options that they have and join right there. But what I like about Signature, and I'm going to go through this, guys, I'm going to give you the plugs and I'm going to give you the plays. I'm going to tell, when I go through each plug, each product, I'm going to tell you how I would use it or what would my advice would be, so that way you can leverage credit to build wealth and help you in your entrepreneurial journey, okay? So we're going to just jump right into it, guys. I'm not going to cover every product. I've kind of selected some main products, and then we're going to kind of dive deeper on those, and then I'll do mini subject ones of the main ones that I see, so that way we can dive deeper into the topics at hand. But I'm going to try to keep this video under 10 minutes, so that way you guys can get back to your day. But I just wanted to make sure that you guys were aware of this amazing credit union, all right? So basically, Signature's really good. They got a lot of different things that they're going. 2% on auto loans is really good. Good mortgage rates as well. Okay, so let's go right into it. The cards, they have 6 different credit cards, people. Okay, and they're gonna all be really, really good cards. The thing that I love about Signature Federal Credit Union is they have something for everybody. If you have excellent credit, they got cards for you there. If you're just starting out credit, they got cards there. If you're a student, a college student, they got a card for you. If you're rebuilding credit, they got a card for you. So the first one we have here is going to be the Visa Signature. No annual fee, no balance transfer fee, no cash advance fee. You guys know my balance transfer strategy. If you don't know that, watch my credit hack playlist. Go through all my playlists. We got videos for everybody. How to repair credit, financial literacy, credit hacks, business credit, all of that. But these 3 things are going to be just like Navy Federal, okay? And like I said, this is open membership for everybody. So if you like this credit union, you can just go join it online right now. No minimum finance charge, no foreign transaction fee. That's great, okay? 8.7, not bad. And this one right here doesn't have a preset spending limit, okay? So I wasn't able to see what the max spending limit is. It looks like it's open-ended, kind of like an Amex charge card. So definitely, if you're interested in something like this is going to be an upper echelon type of credit. All of their credit products are going to pull from Equifax, okay? All of them will pull from Equifax. The next one is going to be the Platinum card. Jump through there. It's going to go up to $25,000 on the Platinum, okay? You're still going to have all of the no annual fee, no balance transfer fee, and no cash advance fee. I love that as well. Very great to have cards like that don't cost you on an annual basis, so you don't have to pay overtime a lot of money to use the card, okay? But yeah, that's going to be a great option for a lot of people out there. That's going to be a good one right there, the Platinum. And then the Gold one's going to have a smaller limit. It's going to be easier to get. Remember, the lower the limit, the easier the card is to be the acquire. So if this is your first card with Signature and you're building a banking relationship, the Gold or the Platinum would probably be the ones that I would go with. You could go for the Classic. It's got a 10,000, but I mean, you might as well just swing for the fences and go for the Gold and try to get that max credit limit, okay? All of their cards have no annual fee, no balance transfer fee, and no cash advance fees, okay? The shared secured Visa, okay, you're going to be able to put down a minimum deposit. I was not able to see if this card graduates or not. There's a good chance that it will, but I don't want to promise you that. You guys are going to have to do your own research on that. Call them, ask them. And then if anybody has any comments about Signature Federal Credit Union, please put it in the comment section below so we can get some data points. Signature is not a big credit union. They're a more of a small niche credit union in the DC area, but they got great credit products. Like you can see, there's a ton of credit cards here for you guys, okay? So we're going to go to the next spot here. All right, here. And then we're going to go through, I want to kind of take a little bit of time on the personal loans and lines of credit, okay? The personal loans are going to go up to $50,000, right? They're going to pull from Equifax. The Express Money line of credit is going to be basically a personal line of credit, and you can use it for whatever you want. If you don't know what a personal line of credit is, check out my playlist. I talk about it. It's like a hybrid between a loan and a credit card. It's amazing. A lot of real estate investors use it. A lot of startup companies use them. Business lines of credit, personal lines of credit are the name of the game, and they're very hard to get in this economy right now, especially a $25,000 line of credit. So that's going to be really helpful. And I'm going to go at the end of this video too, I'm going to talk about what I would do with Signature if I were you guys, okay? But the loans are going to be 50, the personal line of credit 25, the overdraft line of credit is completely separate than the personal line of credit. That'll go up to $10,000. Then they have the secured loans, and what those guys are is it's a way for you to almost manufacture a trade line. So basically, you're taking a lump sum of money that you have, whether $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10,000, whatever the case is, and you're saying, hey, I would like to get a line of credit, and I'm going to use my money right here as collateral. So they'll put that money in like a savings account and lock the money until the loan's been paid off, or when it's been partially paid off, they may release some of the funds. But it helps you manufacture a trade line. So all of your credit reports, you need revolving accounts and installment accounts, and this would be an installment, okay? So the loans will always be the installment, the lines of credit will be revolving, and the credit cards will be revolving. So this is a really good way to build your credit if you want to just do the secured loan and then the secured credit card. You're going to be setting yourself up great to go then for overdraft protection, a line of credit, and maybe a personal loan down the road, okay? I do want to take a moment to talk about the fast cash loans. These are pretty popular. A lot of you guys like the DCU no credit check loan. This is going to be the same thing. So loans from $200 to $1,000. Okay, a $20 application fee is due at the time of application. Net direct deposit must come to the credit union for 2 consecutive payrolls, and then members may only have had 3 cash loans during a 6-month period. Okay, this one right here is not a credit check. No credit check right here, okay? So it's going to be super, super helpful for you guys to have that as well. And it's just a nice way to be able to leverage money when you need it. $1,000 when you need it, it's not bad to have. It's a nice option. The other thing that they offer too is they're going to have great loan products. You guys can kind of look through that if you guys are looking to get a home. They're pretty good with what they have. They're really transparent on what they're requiring. For the processing, you know, how much they'll give you for condos or cash out refis, just mortgage up to 90% on condos, up to 97% maximum funding on single home dwellings, so you pay 3%. So they got a lot of good products. Now, one of the things that I did like here was, and you guys will know that I'm a huge proponent of HELOCs. They have some really good HELOC products, okay? So you can kind of see how they'll do loan to value 80 to 100% maximum, 200,000 LTV maximum of 350. Check those guys out on your own time. The last product that I wanted to talk about here was going to be their business products. Let's try to find that real quick here. Business lending. There was a couple things that I made note of here. Now, their business Visa signature will not report to the personal credit. It's going to be very easy to get set up with a business account with Visa with Signature Credit Union. Okay, so I would definitely pick up the credit card. They're going to have the business vehicle loan, so you can put the vehicle name in your EIN. You may need a personal guarantee that depending on your credit worthiness and your business credit. Business personal loans, great. Business lines of credit. The business lines of credit will go up to $100,000, and then their shared savings secured loans will go up to $250,000. Okay, so it's really cool. What do you need to do to get a business account with Signature? Copy your driver's license, EIN or IRS letter, registered business name statement, articles of art. All you guys should have all of that. That's not hard to do, and you can do that all online. So here's the play, guys. What I would do to get in the door, set up a checking account, savings account. If it lets you fund it with a credit card, please put it in the comments below. Definitely pull the money off your credit card, fund your bank account that way. It's just an easy way to liquidate credit cards. And obviously, if you don't like debt, then don't do it. But That would be what I would recommend. And then if you don't have credit, I would recommend that you start off with one of their credit builder products, whether it's a secured loan or a secured credit card. If you're rebuilding, the same would apply to you there for at least 6 months. And after 6 months, then you can kind of go after one of their higher tier credit cards, whether it's the gold or the platinum card. And then also go after their overdraft protection, their line of credit. I would get all of those products. And the more that you're banking with them and building internal data points, the more you're going to get approved for at a higher limit, and the greater relationship you're going to make. I think Signature is an underrated credit union. I would give them an A. I love how they have something from high end to low end. Definitely check them out. The link will be in my description. Comment below. Is this a credit union that you guys like? What do you like about it? Have you had experience with it? Definitely let us know in the comment section. Please, also, if you have any questions about credit or you want me to do a review on a specific credit union, drop it in the comments below as well. Don't forget to like the video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and check us out for the next video coming your way soon. 3 videos a day. You don't want to miss it. All right, guys. Appreciate you guys. And join the private Facebook group that's in the link in the description. Take care now. Peace.